The perfect book for the novice, intermediate, and the professional woodworker. This volume gives complete instructions, in writing, on how to build Sam's rocker. A must-have book for all woodworkers. There are no mechanical drawings for the rocker in this book. The closest set of plans I've found to build this utilitarian art is from Scott Morrison. These plans are called, How to Build an Elegant Rocker. I bought them, with the DVD, for $125. I'm sure the price is higher now, but worth every penny. It is a great book and I learned a lot about Sam Maloof as well as his beautiful furniture. Click link in description for more reviews.